Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to control who can view the location tags on your photos in the VK app. Managing your privacy online is very important. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Who Can View My Photos location tags. Once you tap on it, you will see several choices, including All Users, Friends of Friends, All Friends, Only Me, or Certain Friends. Choose the option that best fits your privacy needs. Your selection will update instantly, and your location tags will only be visible to the people you selected. By following these steps, you can manage your privacy effectively and share your photos safely. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.